Hi, for this tutorial, I will show you how to register for our platform. Here you can see here the login button. It serves as both the login and register. You push this button and this is the welcoming page. You can either choose to accept ad requests. As our platform is for non-profit, so every learning material you can accept ad requests. However, if you choose to accept ad requests, you cannot check your progress or submit assignment or obtain certificates. So as a result, I strongly suggest you to log in or register. And to log in or register, please push this button. If you already have an account, please sign in using your username or password here. You remember me for longer session. But if you did not have any account, you can register in our platform by two ways. One way is using the email. Another way is using Google. For email, you can push this button here. And this is the email register. You should choose your username. Any name will do. Or here, I will choose one of my username. Here, and also choose your password, anything. And you have to input your email here. Please be notice that this email have to be real, or otherwise we cannot confirm your email and your account cannot be activated. And also, please give us your first name and last name. This name will appear on the certification. If you give us the wrong name, it will appear wrong name on the certificate and it will be very terrible. Now, back to login. Another way is using Google. It should be much simpler and quicker. And you push this button. And here, it will already send to you if you already sign in using Google. And here, there would be unverified email in this. Now, if the verification email did not reach you, there would be two ways to obtain it back. If you already using Google, please push the button again. It will resend the verification email. If you register using email, then please input your username or email here and password here. It will resend your verification email. And after this, we'll go to verify our email here. And here you already signed in.